Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting a diagram. Install Threat Dragon or open the hosted app, then create a new project. Once done, define a simple scope. Draw system boundary, place external actors, and sketch primary data flows so you can reason about trust. Make sure to name the diagram and save frequently. This preserves iterations and lets you export templates. You do this now to turn abstract assets into concrete objects that Threat Dragon will analyze. Next, you flesh out the model by adding components and connectors and annotating them with properties so the tool can reason about risk. Once elements exist, apply stride templates to identify likely threat types, map each threat to the relevant flow or asset, and assign severity and likelihood. Make sure to document assumptions in notes so reviewers understand context. As you refine, iterate. Change boundaries, adjust trust zones, and reevaluate linked threats until you capture real-world behaviors accurately. Finally, you convert threats into actionable mitigations by assigning owners, defining priorities, and specifying implementation steps so the model drives outcomes. Once mitigations are listed, conduct a review cycle, share the diagram, gather feedback, and update statuses. This closes the loop between modeling and engineering. When finished, export the model as JSON or image for documentation and backup. If the export or sync fails, check file permissions and confirm the app version. Retry after restarting the application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.